Bonjour, aloha, kia ora, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Hey tasters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a super simple recipe. This is my first time making it. It is a 3 types of fruit pies. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't like the pie you know, like the apple pie, the one that you put in the oven and it comes out fresh and it's delicious and it goes amazing with ice cream. No, it is the pie like in McDonald's, like the apple pie, but we'll be making it with bread. There's also this pie in Jollibee called a peach mango pie, but today I'll just be making a mango pie and I'm really excited to try that out. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna keep that intro short and let's get on with this video. The main fruits that we are going to use are bananas, mango, and apples. So we are first going to make the mango filling, which pretty much just consists of mango. Very soggy. Okay, I'm gonna mix it around so that it doesn't burn. I'm just gonna keep on mixing it until it's like sticky, kind of like a puree in a way. Well, not a puree. Now it's starting to smell really good. I think this is pretty done. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna put the mangoes back to the bowl where I got the mangoes from and set it aside to cool down. I'm not gonna wash the pan before I put in the next fruit, just a heads up. But if you want to wash it, you can. Okay, the next fruit is banana. I'm going to be adding brown sugar for this one rather than white sugar because I feel like it would be better if it's kind of like a caramelly flavor. And brown sugar. When thinking of banana pie, I immediately thought of banoffee pie, so I was like, what if I use brown sugar instead of white sugar, which I am doing. In other videos, they're putting cinnamon, but I'm not, because I just don't think that would taste good. But if you want, you can. It depends on preference. This is a very simple and easy to make recipe. It only requires like 4 or 5 ingredients. Okay, I think this is good enough. I'm gonna put it into our bowl. Last but not the least, apples. Very careful with my fingers. I do not want to burn it from hot sugar. This brown sugar, I added cinnamon so. In this filling, I'm also adding cinnamon because kind of like apple pie, you know? Yeah, that's kind of like the goal here. But less spices and less trouble. And I'm also using brown sugar for this to kind of like make it caramelly. 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away, which you need around this time. The natural juices of the apple are kind of like squeezing out and mixing with the sugar and the cinnamon. I want it to be like tender. I'm not sure if McDonald's uses like mashed apples for their apple pie. I don't remember what it tastes like either. The apples are taking a bit longer to cook because they're harder rather than the bananas and mangoes, which are soft. The apples look so beautiful and caramelized. Now I'm going to put in another bowl to cool down. So now I am going to make the crust of our pies, and I'm calling it crust because it's made out of bread, not out of dough. So the first step to making our crust is to chop off the crust on our bread. I'm gonna try to do it as very little as possible. I don't want to waste any of the bread. If you have homemade bread, feel free to use that. Now, I am going to set aside that knife. Be very careful. And I'm going to take a rolling pin and roll it out. I've done something like this before, but with like a hot dog. Trying to like press it down as much as I can. I'm just gonna chop the sides once more just so that we have clean edges. It's much smaller compared to the video that I watched. I think it depends on the brand that you're using. I'm using a classic gardenia. Not sponsored. So what is keeping you busy around this time? Me and my parents have been watching some series. We've been watching Magnum PI. We watched the series in like a matter of 5 days or something. Like a little less than a week. That's how dedicated we are to the series. We also watched the series called God Friended Me. It's a really good show. Young Sheldon, that's another good one. Most of them are CBS shows. CBS shows are really good. My dad likes The Flash, Supergirl. I occasionally watched with him. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the process until I'm done. I finally finished. These are a lot. I think they're only like 12, but they're so tedious and difficult to do. Like they for some reason keep on overlapping each other, which I don't know why. But yeah, now I'm going to start filling them up and turning them into a pie. Okay, I'm gonna start off with mango. The mango filling. It is already cooled down as well, by the way. I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna put a little bit. These breads are a bit smaller than I was hoping it to be. I put a little bit of filling inside and now I'm closing it, kind of like an envelope, I guess. Now I'm going to crimp it with a fork, very gently and carefully. Now I'm going to put it aside on a clean plate. This is so cute and tiny. So our next is banana. A small amount. This filling tastes like banana Q, which is kind of like a sugar-coated fried banana skewer. We're just gonna keep on doing the process once again with the other fillings until we are done. The fruits that I'm using today have common health benefits. Apples, bananas, and mangoes are a great source of vitamin C and high in fiber and antioxidants. And which all of these also supports heart health and helps with the digestive system because of the fibers. We still have some leftover filling. We are going to save this. We just want a small snack. We just want a few, so yeah. But we are not wasting that. And we are ready for frying. I'm so excited. Okay, we have it. I'm going to start heating up oil while we're breading / coating our pie. That looks good enough. So before we start breading, I'm going to mix together our milk and eggs. That fryer is very loud. Now I'm going to combine these two together. Very, very silky. And our oil is starting to heat up. We can start breading now. Okay, I'm gonna start first with the mango pie. Keep one dry hand and one wet hand. I'm only gonna do this coating once. This is a trial and error, so. And I'm gonna keep on repeating that. Dip in the egg. And panko breadcrumbs. You can also use like a cracker and just crush it. It's very easy to do, but it also takes patience. You can do this with any filling you want. Just make up your own. Just be creative. Yeah, there. You can use tuna, sardines. My mom made one with tuna before and it was delicious. Then flip it when one side is pretty golden brown. Be mindful that the induction cooker heats up very quick and be careful of the temperature that you're cooking on. Prepare a plate with a paper towel, and once these are done cooking, you can put it on that paper towel to cool down and remove excess oil. Look at these beauties. Well, they're not exactly the most appetizing looking thing in the world, but I know that they will taste delicious. Okay, let's try one. I want to try a mango one, but I don't know which one is which because it all got messed up after doing the plating. This one looks good. Okay, this one. Yes, this is mango. I see like a little bit of the sauce dripping out from the side. Okay, let's try it. Breadcrumbs. My eyes. Let me just savor the moment. You don't need to go to Jollibee for this. That's so good. Now I know what to make as a snack. Dude! That's out of this world. The crust is so crunchy. The filling is so delicious. It's not too sweet. I thought at first it would be way too sweet. But once we fried it, for some reason the flavor just like changed. You can tell from my face. Okay. Yeah, the apple pie. It's, hold up, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. That's good, actually. Okay. We did good today. This is probably like one of my most favorite videos. Like, the second one is probably the cinnamon rolls. Okay, I'm hoping this one is a banana pie. It is! That one's good. That's so good. It's kind of weird working from an electric fan because it's so hot here today. Yesterday it rained all over Philippines, which is amazing. Remember God's blessing? Yeah. I don't know which one is my favorite. I think apple might be in the bottom. Normally when I make an apple pie, I really like it. I'd have to say banana, I think, is my favorite. For a shake, definitely mango. Mango is always the best shake. I hope you guys try it at home. It's so delicious and easy to bake. I am so surprised by this. The crust is so crunchy. The filling is so delicious and flavorful. Even if we just mix sugar and a fruit together, you can even like mix strawberries, like chop up strawberries. Do that. Do it with any fruit you desire. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked it. The recipe is super simple and super easy, yet at the same time it was kinda hard and difficult rolling out the bread. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and hit the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of new videos that I post. Please hit that like button and comment down below of any suggestions of what I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. Thank you for watching this video. Happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching. Luscious Taste, homemade by Franz. Bye! Ciao!